हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी का फिर से एक बार स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में जिसका नाम है कॉमर्स ट्रेजर। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट दावणगेरे यूनिवर्सिटी MCOM PG एंट्रेंस टेस्ट 2017 पेपर. I have also made a video on 2018 paper. If you have not seen that video, I have put the link in the description. You can watch that video. And without wasting much time, let's go to the 2017 question paper. The first question is, when the company takes over another one and clearly becomes the new owner, the action is called as merger, acquisition, strategic alliance, none of the above. So always remember, when two companies join together and continue in the same manner, then it is called as a merger. When two companies join together for some strategic competitiveness, it is called a strategic alliance. But when one company takes over another company and becomes the new owner, it is called as option number B, acquisition. Accounting concepts are based on certain assumptions, certain facts and figures, certain accounting records, government guidelines. So right answer is option number A, that is certain assumptions. Accounting concepts includes business entity concept, money measurement concept, accrual concept, cost concept, and so many concepts are there. By which act government checks restrictive trade practices? FEMA, Consumer Protection Act, Industrial Policy Act, none of the above. So right option is option number D, that is none of the above, because the restrictive trade practices were earlier looked after by the MRTP Act, which stands for Monopoly Restrictive Trade Practices Act, and now it has been replaced by the Competition Act of 2002. Which is not a current liability? Share capital, bank overdraft, creditors, none of the above. So remember this, bank overdraft and creditors comes under current liability, but share capital is not a current liability. Therefore option number A is the correct answer for this question. Who is not a woman entrepreneur? Rita Singh, Shahnaz Hussain, Barka Dutt, Vidya Chabria. Right option for this is option number C, that is Barka Dutt. She is a journalist and not a woman entrepreneur. Which source is not a short-term source of working capital? Trade credit, this is a source. Bank credit, this is also a source. And loans, that is short-term loans, are also a source of working capital. But credit papers are not the source of short-term working capital. The NPV, that is net present value methods, help to evaluate investment proposals, correct. Investment projects, this is also correct. Investment planning, this is also correct. So all of this is the right answer for this question. NPV is a technique of capital budgeting, wherein you select a particular project out of number of projects depending upon the value. Capital gearing signifies the process of maintaining a desired and appropriate dash of the firm. Gear ratio, capital ratio, profit, asset. So right answer is option number B, that is capital ratio. It helps us to understand and find out how much proportion between debt and equity is required in a company. Current assets minus current liability is equal to, one of the most repeated question. So always remember, current asset minus current liability is nothing but it is equal to working capital. Capital budgeting means planning for cash, profit, capital assets, all of this. So correct option is capital asset. Capital budgeting deals with long-term assets investment, and working capital management deals with short-term, that is working capital decision. How to achieve wealth maximization? Reduction of cost, pay dividends, seek growth, all of this. So if you correctly observe the option, all of the above options are required to get wealth maximization. There are two basic objectives of financial management. One is profit maximization, wherein profit is the main criteria, but it has a lot of limitations. And second is wealth maximization, which aims at growth, reduction in cost, as well as payment of dividends. The rate of dividend on equity shares is fixed, fluctuating, both A and B, none of this. So always remember, the rate of dividend on equity share is always fluctuating. It is not constant. It depends upon the profit of the company in that year. Dividend paid to equity shareholders is out of profit, profit after tax, profit after interest, profit after interest and tax. So right option is going to be profit after interest and tax. First you have to pay the interest to the debenture holders, then you have to pay the taxes, then you have to pay the dividend to preference shareholders if there are any preference shares in the company, and lastly whatever remains belongs to the equity shareholders. Dividend policy is, now this is a bit confusing question, very flexible, very fixed, very rejectable, very acceptable. If you see the option, dividend policy is usually not a constant policy, it goes on changing depending upon the profitability of the company. So we can say that it is a very flexible policy. You can either pay 100% dividend or you can pay 0% dividend based on the company's decision. Walters model is related with capital budgeting, dividend policy, fund investment. So correct option is dividend policy. So Walters model says that dividend policy is irrelevant of the value of the firm. The rate of dividend on preference share is fixed, fluctuating both A and B, none of this. So always remember, on preference share the rate of dividend is always fixed, on equity share it is always fluctuating. Gordon's model is related with capital, reserves, dividend policy, loss. So again you have to remember, Gordon's model and Walter model both are related to dividend decision policy, and both says that the value of the firm is irrelevant of the dividend policy. The main objective of financial management, as I already discussed with you earlier, profit maximization as well as wealth maximization, both are the objectives of financial management. If you have to select only one, then wealth maximization is the most important objective, but both of them are actually the objectives of financial management. A reserve charge against profit and loss account, trading account, profit and loss appropriation account, none of this. So always remember, a reserve is always charged against the profit and loss appropriation account. So is dividend paid to the shareholders, which is not an intangible asset. So what is an intangible asset? Intangible asset means which cannot be touched, but they are having value and are written on the asset side of the company. So plant and machinery we can touch, it is an tangible asset. Goodwill and copyright we cannot touch, but they are present in the asset side of the balance sheet. Which of the following are current liabilities? Creditor is a current liability, bank overdraft is also a current liability, outstanding expenses is also a current liability. So all of these are the right answer for this question. In chronological classification, data are classified on the basis of. So always remember, whenever you get this word chronological, it is related to time. So time is going to be the right option for this question. Input means raw data, primary data, secondary data, all of this. So whenever you provide an input, it includes raw data or primary data, both mean same, and also secondary data. So all of this are the right answers for input. Data can exist in which of the following forms? So what is data? Data is nothing but it is a collection of raw figures, facts, alphabets, and whenever it is processed, it becomes an meaningful information. So it includes digits, it includes symbols, it includes alphabet. So therefore all of this is the right answer for this question. Management information system, that is MIS, helps manager in planning, definitely yes, staffing, yes, communicating, yes. So all of this is the correct answer for this question. So we'll stop this video over here. If you like the video, please hit a like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends, and also press the bell icon so that you can get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching the video, and share this video with your friends.